Thinking of driving off in a shiny new car? Just be careful. Some brands talk a big game, but leave owners frustrated, stranded, and regretting every mile. Today, we're exposing 10 car brands that look the part, but fall apart when it really matters. Let's dive in. Number 10. Ford. Ford lands at number 10 with a dismal Consumer Reports reliability score of 44 out of 100, and honestly, it is not that much surprising. Online forums are flooded with frustrated owners calling it the most unreliable automaker in the US. But what's really behind the backlash? First, Ford's maintenance costs are notoriously high. While RepairPal gives it a mediocre 3.5 out of 5 for reliability, the real pain comes in the form of annual repair costs. Ford vehicles have an average repair cost of wallet-draining $775, significantly higher than competitors. But that's just the beginning. According to CarEdge, Ford models average around $10,400 for maintenance and repair costs during their first 10 years of service. That's $2,000 more than other popular auto brands. Ever worse? There's a nearly 32% chance your Ford will need a major repair during that time. But the biggest red flag is Ford's never-ending recall crisis. In a shocking development of 2025, Ford recalled a staggering 274,000 Navigator and Expedition SUVs because of leaking brake lines. You know, just the system that stops your 3-ton vehicle from crashing. And in 2024, Ford had to recall more than 450,000 compact SUVs and pickup trucks, including Bronco Sport and Ford Maverick in the US, because some started losing drive power resulting from a battery issue. If you think Ford's numbers are bad, this is just the beginning. The next brand on our list might shock you even more. Number 9. Genesis. The luxury automotive brand owned by Hyundai Motor Group has a predicted reliability score of just 40 out of 100, and one of the major reasons behind this decline is the severity of necessary repairs. While their 10-year maintenance estimate of $7,150 doesn't sound terrible for a luxury brand, it's the severity of repairs that's crushing owners. Need a radiator fan assembly for your GV80? That'll be $1,300, please. Engine control module acting up in your GV70? Prepare to drop $1,150. Genesis owners face fewer trips to the mechanic, but when they go, they're bringing their credit cards. In 2024, Genesis recalled over 31,000 GV70 and GV80 SUVs, along with G80 and G90 sedans from 2022 to 2023 model years due to a faulty fuel pump that could cause stalling. This expanded a 2023 recall of 19,000 vehicles for the same issue. That same year, Genesis recalled over 90,000 vehicles, including 2017 to 2019 model year G80 and G90 sedans, due to a fire risk in the engine compartment, particularly after driving in wet conditions. In fact, owners were advised to park outside until repairs were completed. The problems continue into 2025, with over 32,000 vehicles recalled for instrument panels that might suddenly go dark, hiding your speed and warning lights. Oh, and let's not forget the class action lawsuit involving Hyundai Genesis vehicles with soy-based wire coating that attracts rats, which presents major concerns for critical systems like airbags. Number 8. Volvo. Well, Volvo is a brand synonymous with safety, but apparently not reliability. With a concerning Consumer Reports score of just 38 out of 100, the Swedish manufacturer has owners questioning their purchase decisions. The problems run deeper than isolated complaints. Owners consistently report systemic failures in Volvo's infotainment systems, with complete shutdowns that disable critical functions like climate control and navigation. These aren't minor inconveniences, they're fundamental failures in a vehicle's operational integrity. The brand's aggressive push toward electrification has only compounded these issues, with hybrid and EV platforms suffering from unrefined technology and premature reliability concerns. Financially, Volvo ownership proves more burdensome than buyers might expect. Volvo owners face annual repair costs averaging $769, significantly higher than the $652 industry average. Over a decade, you're looking at approximately $10,000 in maintenance and repairs, with a 34.92% chance of requiring a major repair during that time. While IC cars note some models like the S60 and V60 perform better than others, the overall picture remains bleak. Moreover, 2024. What car? Reliability survey places Volvo merely in the middle of the pack among 31 brands. RepairPal's 3.5 out of 5 rating ranks Volvo 17th out of 32 brands. Hardly impressive for a premium automaker. Perhaps most damning are Volvo's safety-related recalls, which directly contradict its core brand promise. The May 2025 recall of 413,000 vehicles for faulty rearview camera software, affecting nearly every current model, demonstrates alarming quality control lapses. This follows 2023's brake system recall, affecting 106,900 vehicles, a fundamental failure in what should be Volvo's strongest competency. Next up is a brand that many would agree has lost its reputation for reliability in recent years. Number 7. Chevrolet. The once beloved Chevy has a disappointing Consumer Reports predicted reliability score of 37 out of 100. This score reflects widespread owner complaints about persistent transmission problems, fluid leaks, brake and electrical issues, steering problems, and excessive oil consumption. Dig into the lineup, and the picture gets even more uneven. The Equinox, with a respectable 56-point score, proves Chevy can build a solid SUV when it wants to. But then you have the Corvette with 43 points, Blazer with 33 points, and Suburban with 27 points, dragging down the brand's overall reliability rating. That kind of inconsistency is frustrating for buyers. How can you trust a brand when your experience depends entirely on which model you pick? Maintenance costs add another layer to Chevy's reliability concerns. CarEdge's comprehensive study of maintenance expenses ranks Chevrolet 14th out of 19 brands, with owners facing approximately $9,650 in maintenance and repair costs during their first decade of ownership. By the way, recent Chevy model years have only reinforced the reliability concerns. For instance, the 2022 to 2024 Silverado 1050 trucks have generated alarming reports of steering wheels suddenly jerking out of drivers' hands at highway speeds, along with persistent infotainment system failures. Even more concerning is the 6.2-liter V8 engine installed in popular models like the Silverado 1500, Tahoe, and Suburban. Defects in connecting rods and crankshafts have led to catastrophic engine failures and prompted a massive recall of nearly 600,000 vehicles in 2025. And that's not even the only major recall. In 2024, 462,000 GM's diesel trucks and SUVs were recalled for a faulty transmission valve that could lock up the rear wheels unexpectedly. The recall affected 2020 through 2022 models, which included Chevy Silverado, Tahoe, and Suburban. Number 6. Tesla. A Finnish man on December 19th decided to blow up his Tesla Model S with Elon Musk dummy in the driver's seat because the battery replacement cost was too high. Tesla is by far the most valuable auto brand on Earth, worth a stunning $1.27 trillion through its dominance of the EV market. However, it doesn't rule when it comes to reliability. Coming in 6th on our list with a dismal Consumer Reports predicted reliability score of 36 out of 100, the EV pioneer continues to struggle where traditional automakers excel, building cars that actually work properly over time. In fact, Tesla is considered one of the least reliable brands when it comes to buying used EVs. Suspension failures, brake issues, and body hardware defects are common complaints across the entire Tesla lineup. Even Tesla's most dependable offering, the Model 3, comes with significant problems. What car? Reliability survey reveals a concerning reality. 27% of Model 3 owners reported problems, primarily with bodywork, electrical systems, and suspension. Even more troubling, 31% of affected vehicles spent more than a week in the shop, hardly the hassle-free ownership experience promised. And Tesla's bestseller, the Model Y, fares even worse with below-average reliability and persistent issues with suspension components, body hardware, paint quality, and interior trim. Moreover, Tesla's quality control problems become even more alarming when examining their recall history. In 2025, nearly all Cybertrucks, over 46,000 vehicles, were recalled due to exterior trim panels that could detach while driving. Simultaneously, Tesla recalled 376,000 vehicles for potential loss of power steering assist and another 700,000 for defective tire pressure monitoring systems. The automotive brands we've covered so far have slipped in making reliable vehicles, but the next ones have pushed owners to the breaking point. Number 5. Volkswagen. With a pathetic 34 out of 100 predicted reliability score, Volkswagen's dramatic fall from grace is one of the most striking stories in the automotive world today. The roots of Volkswagen's reliability nightmare can be traced directly to the Dieselgate scandal that erupted in 2015. When regulators discovered the company had deliberately cheated emissions tests, it triggered a global recall of 11 million vehicles and cost the company an astonishing 31.3 billion euros in fines and settlements. But the real damage was to Volkswagen's reputation. The scandal shattered consumer trust in a way that continues to haunt the brand nearly a decade later. Today, Volkswagen owners face a barrage of frustrating reliability issues that go far beyond typical automotive complaints. Online forums and review sites overflow with stories of premature component failures, electrical issues, and vehicles that seem to fall apart after hitting the 100,000-mile mark. Unlike some brands that have a few problematic models, Volkswagen's quality issues appear systemic, affecting everything from compact Golfs to their flagship Atlas SUVs. Even their much-hyped electric ID.4 hasn't been immune, suffering from its own set of technical problems. The company's recent recalls history also shows how unreliable the auto brand has become in the past decade. In March 2025 alone, Volkswagen had to recall nearly 177,000 Atlas SUVs because loose engine covers could contact hot components and potentially cause fire. In early 2025, 30,000 vehicles were recalled for malfunctioning rear-view cameras. And if that's not enough, Volkswagen recalled 60,500 vehicles, including 2021 to 2023 model years ID.4, 2022 to 2023 model years Audi Q4 e-tron and Q4 e-tron Sportback due to a failure to display the gear position, which could lead to a vehicle rollaway if the parking brake is not engaged. Number 4. Jeep. With a Consumer Reports predicted reliability score of just 33 out of 100, Jeep vehicles demonstrate fundamental quality issues that undermine their off-road prowess. You see, the problems run deep across the lineup. The iconic Wrangler scores a concerning 27 out of 100, plagued by the infamous death wobble steering issue and persistent electrical problems. The Grand Cherokee's 26 points and Cherokee L scoring 23 points fare even worse, with transmission failures and suspension problems being common complaints. These aren't isolated incidents, but systemic issues reflecting poor engineering and quality control. And what about recalls? In 2024, Jeep had to recall nearly 200,000 plug-in hybrid models due to fire risks that could occur even when vehicles were parked and turned off. Another 33,000 vehicles were recalled for clutch components prone to overheating and potential fires. Perhaps most alarming was the discovery of inadequate welds connecting control arms to axles in certain Wrangler models, a critical structural flaw that could lead to catastrophic failure. For owners, these reliability issues translate into real financial pain. CarEdge's data shows that Jeep is the second most expensive brand to maintain, with 10-year maintenance and repair costs reaching about $11,700. Moreover, there's a 32.6% chance your Jeep will need a major repair in that time. Before we reveal the final 3, make sure to leave a like and share your thoughts on the least reliable car brands we've mentioned so far. Number 3. GMC. It's no secret that GMC has been struggling with reliability, but seeing it tie with Jeep at the bottom of Consumer Reports list, with a dismal 33 out of 100, still stings. RepairPal has given GMC 3 out of 5 reliability ratings, which puts it near the bottom of the pack, 22nd out of 32 brands. And if you think that's not so bad, wait until you see the repair bills. owners of GMC vehicles spend an average of $744 per year on fixes, well above the industry average. And over the years of ownership, CarEdge states that repair and maintenance costs will reach up to $9,500. But the real issue? The engines and transmissions. The 6.2-liter V8L87 engine, used in models like the Sierra 1500, Yukon, and Cadillac Escalade, has been linked to engine seizures due to bearing failures. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, 39 complaints, prompting an investigation into approximately 877,000 vehicles from model years 2019 to 2024. And if that's not scary enough, some 2024 Sierra 1050s have been losing power completely while driving, thanks to transmission failures. Then there are the recalls. In April 2025, GM had to call back 600,000 vehicles, including Sierras and Yukons, because of defective crankshafts and connecting rods that could destroy the engine without warning. And let's not forget the tailgates that randomly fly open on Sierra HD trucks, dumping cargo onto the highway. Number 2. Cadillac. Cadillac's predicted reliability score of 27 shouldn't surprise anyone familiar with the brand's history. Remember the 80s and 90s? Those were rough times for Cadillac, thanks to those troublesome 4.1 and Northstar engines that really damaged their reputation. And let's not forget those 3.6 engines with their stretching timing chain, definitely not helping matters. Recently, the most frustrating issue for many owners has been the CUE system. It worked fine when new, but then conveniently broke after the warranty expired. No wonder it faced lawsuits. Those unresponsive screens, delamination issues, and constant software bugs drove owners crazy. Consumer Reports recently slapped the Lyriq with the unflattering title of Most Unreliable Luxury SUV, giving it just 5 out of 100. Owners struggle with the malfunctioning electronics, EV battery malfunctions, complete battery failure, and poor build quality, such as doors sagging or screens rattling. Looking at the bigger picture, RepairPal ranks Cadillac 26th out of 32 brands, with repairs averaging $783 annually, well above the industry average. Over 10 years, you're looking at about $11,100 in maintenance costs, with a 1 in 3 chance of a major repair. And Cadillac's flagship Escalade isn't immune. The 6.2-liter V8L87 engine used in Escalades and other GM trucks has been linked to catastrophic engine seizures due to bearing failures, prompting an NHTSA investigation into nearly 878,000 vehicles. In April 2025, GM recalled 600,000 vehicles, including Escalades for defective crankshafts and connecting rods that could cause sudden engine failure, a critical safety risk. Number 1. Rivian. Rivian entered the EV market with massive hype, promising to dethrone Tesla with premium electric trucks and SUVs. But reality has been harsh. The brand now holds the embarrassing title of least reliable automaker according to Consumer Reports, with a pitiful 18 out of 100 predicted reliability score. What makes this particularly disappointing is how much owners love driving their Rivians when everything works. The R1T pickup and R1S SUV deliver thrilling acceleration, luxurious interiors, and impressive off-road capabilities that earn top marks in owner satisfaction surveys. But that excitement fades fast when HVAC systems fail repeatedly, batteries glitch, and doors leak. For instance, Torque News reported how their 2025 Rivian R1T Trimax became a constant HVAC nightmare as the system kept failing over and over again. But as per Consumer Reports survey, the issues with Rivian's offerings extend far beyond just HVAC systems failure. Owners commonly face electrical problems that trigger random warning lights, temperamental charging systems that leave vehicles stranded, and suspension components that develop alarming noises. Build quality remains inconsistent, with complaints about misaligned body panels, leaking door seals, and interior components that rattle. Perhaps most concerning are reports of battery and drive system glitches in what should be Rivian's core technological strengths. We hope you enjoyed this video. Tap the screen for more content like this. See you in the next one.